Okay, so this is something a lot of people get confused about. What's the difference between chemistry and chemical engineering? And honestly, I used to be confused too. So let's just make this simple. First, big picture. Chemistry is about understanding what is happening. Chemical engineering is about figuring out how to use that in real life. That's it. Like, imagine this. Chemistry is asking, why is this reaction happening? What's going on at the molecular level? Chemical engineering is asking, okay, cool, but how do we do this for 10,000 people a day? That's the main difference. So in chemistry, you're mostly dealing with reactions, compounds, structures. You go deep into why things behave the way they do. You might be in a lab, mixing chemicals, observing changes, trying to understand the science behind it. Now, chemical engineering takes that same reaction and turns it into a process. Like, how do we design a plant for this? What temperature should we maintain? How do we control pressure? How do we make sure it's safe? And also, how do we make money from it? Because in real life, it's not just about making something once in a lab, it's clear. It's about making it again and again and again without messing up. A chemist might discover a new material. A chemical engineer figures out how to produce tons of it efficiently. And this is where things get interesting. Because when you enter chemical engineering, you expect a lot of chemistry. But then, suddenly, you see thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, heat transfer, and you're like, wait, what is going on? But slowly, you realize these are tools to understand how real systems behave, like how fluids flow in pipes, how heat moves, how substances transfer from one place to another. All of this helps you scale things up. So yeah, chemistry equals understanding the science, chemical engineering equals applying that science at scale. If you were confused before, hopefully this makes it a bit clearer. And don't worry, we'll break all of this down slowly in the next videos. Nothing heavy, just simple understanding. See you in the next one.